more than a year to bring the hostages home with a hostage deal. And the only way to do it is with a ceasefire in Gaza as well, not just in the north. And unfortunately, I know that ceasefire is just concerning to the north and not to Gaza. And it seems like Netanyahu doesn't care about the 101 hostages that are still in Gaza. He still wants to keep fighting in Gaza instead of stop the war and bring them back with a hostage deal. So I'm calling him. Now is the time. The winter is coming. They're not going to survive. Enough with the war. Bring them back home.
I'm very happy. Ceasefire is always good and would like, but I will be more happy if it will be in Gaza too.
Well, probably the best would have been for both to be stopped at the very same time. But you can't have everything all the time. So this is not the perfect solution, for sure, but at least that.
I think on the one hand, I have friends that are coming back from Miluim, from serving. They're tired, they're exhausted. There's something about just giving people a rest. How does it make Israel look? I think it makes Israel look. Honestly, my take is that it makes us look a bit weak. There's something to getting over there and destroying all the terrorist infrastructure, and just finishing the job in some sense.
The hostage families welcome the ceasefire agreements ending the fighting in the northern border with Lebanon, but we're also deeply disappointed that it doesn't include a piece of the hostages that have been held in captivity for 416 days, 101 hostages, including 7 U.S. citizens, and we feel this is a missed opportunity to tie in the hostages in this agreement that was signed today. The challenge is that when it comes to the Lebanon piece, the Israeli government did not need to pay any political piece that would threaten the existing coalition of government. Unfortunately, that is not the case when it comes to the Gaza piece. There's a glimpse of hope that the ability to get a deal with the players that initiated this attack on Israel. They've seen the destruction that has fallen upon them after attacking Israel. And I hope to believe that Hamas also understand that now is the time to be more flexible and understand that they are isolated and they are the last one that are still fighting.